December 27, 2009. This is the day I'm going to marry my friend. And I'm very happy and excited at the same time. It's actually a combination of different feelings, mixed emotions, not just like what other brides say. Everyone's so excited. I can see in their faces na yung excitement, yung anticipation of the event, and talagang mixed emotions. Parang ang saya-saya. Excited talaga ako makita yung gown kasi nakita ko parang ganda ko doon pag sinuot ko, di ba? Gusto ko na siyang suotin talaga, and ayun, para makita ko na rin I'm Prince Charming.
My song, and this one's for you, and you can tell everybody that this is your song. It may be quite simple, but now that it's done, hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down in words how wonderful life is. Now you're in the world. Sat on the roof and I kicked off the moss. Well, some of these verses were
Aisel, God has chosen Darwin for you to be his first best gift for you. Always treasure him. Darwin, Aisel is God's best gift for you. Sana kayong isa't isa, kayo ang inyong tanging yaman na hindi niyo ipagpapalit at mananatili niyong minamahal at pinapahalagahan.
so excuse me for getting, but these things I do. You see, I've forgotten if they're green or they're blue. Well, the thing is, what I really need, yours are the sweetest eyes I've ever
Ani, isa lang mapapangako ko sa iyo. Mamahalin kita ng habang buhay.
you're in the world. Hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down in words.
All I can promise is I will try to be a very good wife.
Now you're in the world.
I'm so happy. Thank you for this wedding, and this is actually my dream wedding.
Ikaw para sa akin, ako para sa iyo.
I love you.
Sweet.